Masturbation is a topic often shrouded in taboo, yet it plays a significant role in many men's lives. But have you ever stopped to consider how daily habits might affect prostate health? Imagine this: what if the frequency of ejaculation could actually influence the hydration of the prostate? Research suggests that the prostate needs to stay hydrated to function optimally. But how does daily masturbation factor into this? Could it be possible that those intimate moments not only release tension but also promote a healthier prostate? Let's take a moment to think about the relationship between hydration and prostate health. What if maintaining good hydration habits can enhance your overall well-being? Picture this: simple lifestyle changes could lead to significant improvements in your health. As we dive deeper into this topic, the importance of regular ejaculation will come to light. It's not just about pleasure, it could be a key player in ensuring your prostate stays healthy and hydrated. Stay tuned as we explore practical tips that can help enhance prostate hydration and overall health. This is about understanding your body better and making informed choices. The journey to a healthier prostate begins here. Hydration and prostate health. Hydration plays a crucial role in maintaining prostate health. When the body is well hydrated, it helps the prostate function effectively. Adequate fluid intake supports the production of seminal fluid and helps in flushing out toxins that could otherwise accumulate in the prostate. On the flip side, dehydration can lead to various issues, including inflammation or even enlargement of the prostate. The prostate, like any other organ, needs water to stay healthy, and neglecting hydration can have adverse effects. When dehydration occurs, the prostate may not receive the nutrients it requires to operate optimally. This can lead to discomfort and other complications. Men often overlook the importance of hydration in their daily routines, yet ensuring proper fluid intake can be a simple yet effective way to support prostate health. Drinking enough water, especially in hot weather or during physical activity, is essential to prevent dehydration and its consequences on the prostate. Regular hydration can also support urinary function, which is closely linked to prostate health. The prostate surrounds the urethra, and any issues with this gland can lead to urinary difficulties. Staying well hydrated helps keep the urinary tract functioning properly, thereby reducing the risk of infections and other related health issues. In essence, drinking enough fluids is a small change that can lead to significant improvements in prostate health. Ejaculation and hydration. Ejaculation plays an interesting role in promoting hydration of the prostate. Regular ejaculation helps to clear out old seminal fluid and can stimulate prostate health. When the prostate is regularly emptied, it may help prevent the buildup of fluids that could lead to discomfort or health issues. This process is a natural way for the body to maintain balance, and it underscores the importance of regular sexual activity or masturbation. Moreover, ejaculation is associated with the release of hormones and enzymes that can boost prostate function. This release can enhance blood circulation to the area and promote better hydration. For men looking to maintain a healthy prostate, understanding the connection between ejaculation and hydration can be an essential part of their wellness routine. While it's essential to find a balance, regular ejaculation can be beneficial. It helps ensure that the prostate remains active and healthy, reducing the likelihood of complications. However, every individual is different, and what works for one person may not necessarily work for another. Listening to one's body and finding an appropriate frequency is key. Impacts of daily masturbation. Daily masturbation can have both positive and negative effects on prostate health. On the one hand, this practice can promote better prostate function by ensuring regular ejaculation, which aids in fluid balance and keeps the gland healthy. Regular stimulation may also lead to improved blood flow to the area, further supporting prostate health. However, it's essential to approach this habit mindfully. Overdoing it might lead to potential irritation or discomfort. Understanding one's limits is crucial, as excessive activity could counteract the benefits. Moderation is the name of the game when it comes to daily masturbation and its effects on prostate health. Additionally, daily masturbation may have psychological benefits, such as stress relief and improved mood, which can indirectly support overall health. Stress can negatively impact bodily functions, including prostate health. By engaging in this activity, men might find that they feel more relaxed and better able to manage their overall wellness. In summary, daily masturbation can have several benefits for prostate health, primarily through regular ejaculation and improved blood flow. However, it's essential to practice moderation and listen to one's body to avoid potential negative effects. Understanding the balance is vital for maintaining a healthy prostate. Hormones and prostate hydration. Hormones play a crucial role in the body's functioning, and this includes the prostate. Testosterone, in particular, is a key hormone affecting prostate health and hydration. When testosterone levels are balanced, the prostate can maintain its hydration more effectively. However, fluctuations in hormone levels can lead to issues. For example, low testosterone may result in a less hydrated prostate, which can affect its function and overall health. As men age, testosterone levels naturally decline. This reduction can impact the prostate, making it more susceptible to various health issues. When the prostate is not adequately hydrated, it may lead to discomfort or even problems like prostatitis. Therefore, maintaining healthy testosterone levels is essential for keeping the prostate hydrated and functioning well. Lifestyle choices can significantly influence hormone levels. Regular exercise and a balanced diet can help maintain optimal testosterone levels. Additionally, managing stress through mindfulness or relaxation techniques can also be beneficial. All these factors play a role in how well the prostate stays hydrated, making it essential for men to pay attention to their overall health. Furthermore, certain medical conditions may affect hormone levels, leading to hydration issues in the prostate. Men with diabetes or obesity, for instance, may experience hormonal imbalances that can impact prostate health. Regular checkups can help monitor these hormone levels, providing insights into how they might be affecting hydration. In summary, understanding the relationship between hormones, especially testosterone, and prostate hydration is vital. Men should keep an eye on their hormonal health, as it directly correlates with the well-being of the prostate. Nutrition and hydration. Diet is another critical factor when it comes to prostate hydration. A well-balanced diet rich in fluids can significantly impact how well the prostate stays hydrated. Consuming plenty of fruits and vegetables that have high water content contributes to overall hydration. Foods like cucumbers, watermelon, and oranges can be particularly beneficial. In addition to water-rich foods, it's essential to pay attention to the overall nutritional quality of one's diet. A diet high in antioxidants, such as berries and nuts, can help protect prostate health. These nutrients can play a role in reducing inflammation and improving hydration in the prostate. Including healthy fats, like those found in fish, can also support hormonal balance, further aiding in hydration. Men should also be mindful of their fluid intake. Drinking an adequate amount of water throughout the day is crucial for proper hydration. While it might be tempting to reach for sugary drinks or excessive caffeine, these can lead to dehydration. Opting for water or herbal teas can be a much healthier choice. Moreover, some studies suggest that certain dietary patterns may influence prostate health positively. For instance, diets rich in omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish like salmon, may reduce the risk of prostate issues. Including a variety of nutrients can help ensure the prostate remains hydrated and healthy. Ultimately, a thoughtful approach to diet can significantly influence prostate hydration. By prioritizing hydration through food choices, men can contribute to their prostate health in a meaningful way. Exercises and prostate health. When we talk about prostate health, we often overlook the impact of physical activity. Regular exercise plays a significant role in promoting good blood circulation, which is essential for the prostate. Improved blood flow helps deliver necessary nutrients and oxygen to the prostate, supporting its overall function and health. Moreover, engaging in physical activities can also help reduce the risk of prostate-related issues, such as benign prostatic hyperplasia and even prostate cancer. Different types of exercises can benefit the prostate in various ways. Aerobic exercises, like jogging, swimming, or cycling, enhance cardiovascular health and improve blood circulation. Strength training, on the other hand, can help maintain hormonal balance, which is vital for prostate health. The combination of these exercises can create a well-rounded fitness routine that supports prostate hydration and function. It's important to remember that the intensity of exercise doesn't have to be extreme. Even moderate activities, such as walking or gardening, can have a positive impact on prostate health. The key is consistency. Making physical activity a regular part of life can yield long-term benefits. Men who stay active tend to report better overall health, including improved urinary function, which is closely linked to prostate health. In addition to the physical benefits, exercise can also reduce stress and anxiety, which can negatively affect prostate health. Activities like yoga and Tai Chi not only promote physical fitness, but also encourage relaxation. This holistic approach to health is crucial because stress can lead to hormonal imbalances, potentially affecting the prostate. Finding a balance between physical activity and relaxation can be beneficial. Lastly, incorporating exercise into daily routines doesn't have to be daunting. Simple changes, like taking the stairs instead of the elevator or going for a walk during lunch breaks, can make a significant difference. By embracing an active lifestyle, men can support their prostate health while enjoying the myriad benefits that come from being physically fit. Tips for improving prostate hydration. When it comes to maintaining prostate health, proper hydration is key. Men can adopt several practical habits to enhance hydration levels in the prostate. First and foremost, increasing water intake is crucial. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day, but individual needs may vary based on activity level and climate. Keeping a water bottle handy can serve as a reminder to drink throughout the day. In addition to plain water, certain foods can also contribute to hydration. Fruits and vegetables with high water content, such as cucumbers, watermelon, and oranges, can supplement fluid intake. Including these in daily meals not only helps with hydration but also provides essential nutrients that support overall health. A diet rich in these foods can make a noticeable difference in how hydrated the prostate remains. Reducing the intake of dehydrating substances, like caffeine and alcohol, is another important tip. While moderate consumption might not pose significant risks, excessive intake can lead to dehydration. Opting for herbal teas or flavored water can be a healthier alternative while still satisfying the craving for a beverage. Making these small adjustments can lead to better hydration levels. It's also beneficial to establish a routine that includes regular fluid intake. For instance, drinking a glass of water first thing in the morning can kickstart hydration for the day. Setting reminders to drink water throughout the day can help maintain consistent hydration levels, which is essential for the prostate. Developing these habits can foster a more proactive approach to health. Lastly, paying attention to the body's signals is crucial. Thirst is an obvious indicator that hydration is needed, but other signs, like dry skin or fatigue, can also suggest dehydration. By being mindful of these cues and responding promptly, men can better support their prostate health and overall well-being. Adopting these habits can lead to improved hydration and, consequently, a healthier prostate. As we wrap up today's discussion on the intriguing connection between daily masturbation and prostate hydration, let's take a moment to reflect. Did you know that regular ejaculation not only promotes prostate health but also plays a crucial role in maintaining hydration levels? It's a simple yet effective way to support your body. Now, think about your own habits. Are you giving your prostate the attention it deserves? Remember, good hydration isn't just about water, it's about how you treat your body every day. Incorporating healthy practices, like staying hydrated and engaging in regular sexual activity, can make a significant difference. But here's a question for you: what small changes can you make today to enhance your prostate health? Whether it's drinking more water or being mindful of your sexual health, every step counts. Stay curious and proactive about your well-being. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Have you noticed any changes in your own health routines? Let's keep this conversation going because your health matters. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more insights, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Your journey to better sexual health continues here.